guys, Sonja here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're brand new. Today I'm going to take you on a bit of a shop with me. I will be heading over to that special store that I talked about in my last haul video and hoping to find that truck. So I hope to take you along. It is a bit of a drive, but nevertheless, we're making it a date day. And maybe go grab some lunch and head on back after, and when I get back I will share what it is that I bought. So here in the store, they kind of have everything separated into the colors, and I always love the more traditional red and green colors, but I do love looking at everything else that they have. Love these red birds as well. I think they are a great thing to add to your tree, or even inside like hurricane vases and things like that. I do love the champagne color, and I do have one of the Christmas trees with a little bit of champagne color, but I also like to get some DIY ideas, not only decor ideas, but DIY ideas for things that maybe I can make myself. Kind of do like this bluish color as well. I think it would be a great thing to add some pops of color if you're decorating with like silvers and whites. This is such a pretty canvas hanging on the wall, and I love the size of it. I thought this garland was really nice, and I think it would be great for as an addition to another plain garland just to spruce it up. I love looking at different types of droopy greenery this year. Underneath the mistletoe, you give me that look that makes me love you so. This year these galvanized trees were so cute. I thought they were perfect for your farmhouse look. Thought that these pine cones were really neat and would look great in your Christmas urn outdoors or in a beautiful table arrangement. And it wouldn't be a Canadian decor if it didn't have some sort of a moose in it. I did love all of their garlands that they had as well. They were just really unique. They do such an amazing job with their tablescapes, and you can definitely get tons of ideas, if nothing else, but definitely tons of ideas. Loved this magnolia garland as well as the wreath. Their clearance section was pretty amazing. They had some Christmas stuff there as well, plus a lot of fall items. And not to mention everything in the store, not to forget to mention everything in the store was 20% off. Great selection of candles and candle melts, and they carried the Crossroads brand, which is an excellent quality candles, and they have them in so many different scents. And they also have really neat candle holders that you can put your whole candle in. And besides the seasonal decor, they carry so many farmhouse type of decors, as well as tons of galvanized things, from buckets to trucks to vases to trays, lots of different items to choose from. Okay guys, I am back. I picked up 4 items altogether, but 2 different types. The store had even more Christmas stuff, but because I splurged on this one item, I didn't want to buy more. So I think for this year, this will be it at this store. Maybe next year I'll go again, but you never know. So let me share what I got. Since you can see, it's really squeaky, but I had picked up this beautiful truck, I think anyways. This was, like I said, a bit of a splurge. I paid $85.99 for it. They did have 20% off, but still there's tax on top of it, so I still think it was a big splurge. However, I do think I will be able to use it for all the seasons. I'm thinking pumpkins in fall in a trunk, Christmas trees for the summer, for Christmas, and then summer can have like fresh flowers or just flowers in it, and then spring maybe some Easter eggs or bunnies or something. And then for the winter, I haven't quite decided yet, but some form of a greenery, like maybe those greenery balls, like boxwood balls or something like that would look good. But anyway, so I do think I'm gonna get quite a bit of use out of it, so I thought the splurge was okay. And then for my kitchen, because I don't know if you follow me or if you're subscribed to my other channel, where last year I shared all of this stuff as well, plus the DIYs. I had shared that I had switched my decor into gingerbread decor in the kitchen. So I had picked up these little guys, and I thought these I could actually maybe even try to recreate myself. But anyways, I picked up 3 of these. They were $5.99 and again 20% off. I'm thinking this would be great for a tier tray, or even I have a little Christmas tree in the on my counter on my breakfast bar that I could put these on, or yeah, but I think probably a tier tray, at least one of them. But I am thinking that I could possibly recreate these. We'll see. We'll see. So I think that was it. My total purchase was $93.98 for this stuff. So like I said, even with 20% off, the tax is 13%, it did come up to $93.98. But they are unique things that I haven't seen in any other stores in town. So the drive was worth it. Spent some time with my husband, went out for lunch, so it was all worth it. So I can't believe that the Christmas is just around the corner, just another week and a half, and the full decorating is gonna start. Next week I'm going to be sharing undecorating of fall and getting my house ready for Christmas decor. So I hope you can join me. So if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of these videos that are coming your way. And who knows, maybe there will be another haul from a different store. And if you missed last week's haul, I will have it linked in the description box so you can check out what is the other item I got at this store last time I was there, as well as things that I got at Marshall's, Home Sense, Dollar Tree. So lots of fun stuff. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.